Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gitika Ara. So I'm back with another video. Oh my god, it's quite a long time after which I'm sitting in front of the camera and saying these lines. And guys, I'm back with a huge announcement. So I'm planning a series with my team where we will be giving you guys a budget makeover, basically your home makeovers in your budget, and it will be free from our side. Our consultation fees will be free. And the series name is Chalo Ghar Sajate Hain. And if you want a makeover of your house by us, by our team, then just go on our website gitikainteriors.com, and there you can message us or email us and tell us your story, that why you need this makeover, and according to your story we will select our candidates and we will contact you. There are very limited slots, so try to apply as soon as possible. And in today's video, I am going to set a home office for myself. Actually, I have rented an apartment near to me also where I shoot videos and do such kind of stuff. So I thought I should make a home office there. And I think home office is must for everyone, especially after COVID. There is so much trend of people working from home. And it's very good actually, it's very convenient for most of us because first of all there is so much flexibility, like in the working hours you can work at any time if you want. Another thing, it's from the comfort of your home, right? So you can dress up the way you want, and it's very easy to work from home while you can manage home, while you can manage kids alongside. Another good thing about it is it reduces the commute time, right? Also guys, it reduces the carbon emissions, and that's why it's very good for your environment also. But along with the positive points, it has many drawbacks also, like there are so many distractions at home while you are working from home. TV is there, noise is there, kids noise, and such kind of distractions at home. Another thing, if you have not created a proper working space, then it can affect your posture, your health. So creating a proper separate space from home office is a must thing, which I have realized now. In this video, I am going to create a home office area with very minimal things, and the links will be provided in the description box below.
So I selected this room for my home office. It's almost 10 by 10 size. I placed this table over here. Then we got this rack from Amazon recently. So we got it assembled and then we placed it on the side of the table. I really like this rack. It's quite affordable. Then I styled it with some decor pieces. I tried to find the decor pieces which matches the vibe of the room. Like it should look like a home office, right? So accordingly, I placed maximum the books, some decor pieces, very neutral shades decor pieces, some frames, a calendar. I tried to keep it very minimal, and the decor pieces I selected were very minimal and were very of neutral shades. So like that I styled it, and then I placed some artificial plants because it's not possible for me to water these plants on daily basis in this area because it's in a separate house. So I placed these artificial plants. Then I placed this beautiful rug. I got it some years back, never used it, I loved it though. Then I hanged my YouTube play button and a beautiful wall calendar, and then I placed this lamp. You must have seen this lamp in my previous videos as well. I placed a plant and some decor pieces on the lamp. This looks really cozy. And then I placed a pen stand with some pens and some clock and a paperweight, and placed my chair. Right tech solutions is an important aspect if you're setting a home office. Without right technology, it really gets difficult to keep up with the work. Necessities such as monitors, speakers, microphones, critical softwares, they are very important part. And for my work, I recently got this ViewSonic VG2756V 2K 27 inches QHD webcam docking monitor, because as I work from home, I have a lot of video conferencing needs, and it has built-in LED full lights and two-way AI powered noise reduction that would give me the optimal video conferencing experience, which helped me stay productive with dual screens. Adjustable angles webcam with built-in LED fill lights to look your best when video conferencing. Enhanced privacy with pop-up webcam to get a peace of mind. Clear audio delivery with two-way AI-powered noise reduction on both speakers and microphone for the best video conferencing experience. Directly open a QR code via built-in webcam by ViewSonic Display Manager. Easy connection and charging with integral USB-C docking. Basically, it is a single cable solution, so you don't have to clutter your space with number of wires. And for the right ergonomics, as you know, right ergonomics is one of the most important aspects of any workspace. Otherwise, it can cause headache, back pains, neck stiffness, eye strains, and many more problems. So, for right ergonomics, angle of inclination of screen, height of table, screen, chair, all should be considered. And this monitor offers a full range of ergonomic flexibility for every task and workflow. Raise your display to optimal height, swivel to fully flat, or rotate 90 degrees for portrait viewing. Up to plus minus 5 degrees camera tilt ensures you are framed right no matter how you choose to work. So I have given the link in the description box below. You can just check out the monitor and get it for you for your home office or even your working space needs. Then I hang this pin board on this corner of the room, and over that I added some images, some inspirational quotes or images which basically motivates me or inspires me to be better.
As you have seen this makeover, this office setup is so cozy and so comfortable, and I'm just loving it. I just want to sit there and work long hours. I mean, such kind of space is important. If you love to work, if you are working long hours, you should invest in yourself, I think. And by just designing this room total distractions free, dedicated to my workspace, I have created a very comfortable workspace for myself, which I'm very proud of, and it has improved my efficiency a lot, guys. So guys, that was all for today. I hope you like this video, this makeover. It's been a long time since I have come with a makeover. All the product links will be mentioned in the description box below. Again guys, Chalo Ghar Sajate Hain series is going to come. So go check out our website geetikaindias.com and message us or mail us if you want a makeover by us, and I'll keep coming with more of such videos. Follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. Till then, bye, take care.